What's going on, guys? How y'all doing? Shantae McLean here to bring you another video. Hope you guys are having an excellent day today. So let's get started with this video. The title of today's video is Xcelerate International: How to Make Money Without Recruiting. So, as I stated to you in some previous videos, um, Xcelerate International actually gives you the opportunity to make money in this company and you do not have to recruit. That is actually true. The reason we're able to do that is because we actually have products that we sell within this company, and you can actually join for $20 a month and literally just sell the products, and you don't have to recruit. And you can make money off of selling those products. So I'm gonna just pop in a little shop. We don't have a lot of products because this company hasn't been around very long, but we are definitely getting more and more products added, back here. Just a little quick overview because it's not a lot right now. We have fuel tablets for your car. We have different weight loss and wellness type of pills. Sugar to fiber, motor fiber. I think that's one of the newest ones we have. We have some medication for focus. We have stuff for gut health. We have stuff for sleeping. We have some different things for your car. This is like a windshield treatment. This is an oil additive. Oh, like I said, we don't have a whole lot because this company is still kind of new. But there are some people who do very well selling products. Like some people can really, really sell products and make good money. So if you're that type of person that you're good at pushing products and you're not really a big recruiter, but you can sell products, boom, this is perfect. It's only $20 a month to get started. So I mean, what do you spend $20 on a month? You probably spend more than that on fast food. So that's the way you can get paid through Xcelerate without having to recruit. Simply joining and selling the products and getting paid off of the sale of the products. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. You can join again, Xcelerate, and become a free member. You'll actually you'll see this page like if let's say you decide to join me. This is the page you're gonna see when you click on my link. You're going to fill this info out, hit save my spot, and it's going to take you again to our back office, and it'll say inactive, meaning you're a free member. And inside, you can go and explore our back office and just check things out. But there are going to be a number of tabs that are not going to open up for you, to be honest, unless you pay. Because to be honest, there's not too many companies that you come in for free and you actually get paid at a free level. But for here, you come in, it's just basically for you to just kind of check out the back office. But yes, you definitely can get paid with this company just by selling the products. You don't have to recruit. You can just sell the products, and that's fine, and make your money off of the products. So that's your decision. If you want to come in and just do the products only, you can. If you want to do the products and recruiting, you can. If you just want to recruit, you can. Me, I'm just going to recruit. I just never really cared to sell products. I just ain't never been a person that likes selling products. So I'm just basically here to recruit. But if you want to, you really can do whichever one you want in this business. And that's one of the things I really, really like about it. Because a lot of times with the MLM, you don't really have much of a choice because you either got to sell the product or you got to keep a certain amount of auto ship of your product. You got to buy so much a month to keep your level in the business or whatever. So you don't have to deal with all that with this. All right. So this video is going to be relatively quick. I just wanted to hop on here and because, like I said, I know you probably heard stories where we say, oh, you don't have to recruit. You really don't. I mean, recruiting is added into the whole system, but you don't have to. You can just basically sell the products and make money that way. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification anytime so that you can get updates on the next time I make a video. I really hope y'all can hear this video. I got my heater on and that thing is roaring kind of loud. So hopefully this video came out clear. But until the next video, you guys take care, and I will see you later.